In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use your phone as remote for TCL Smart TV. So to be able to use your phone as a remote for your TCL TV, the only thing that you need to do firstly is to actually get the Google Home app right here, as you can see. So if you haven't already gotten it, you need to get Google Home and then go into the app. And now on the app right here, you're going to click on devices. So click on devices and then you should be taken to this page right here. So if you haven't already linked your device, you need to click on add right here. And then in here you can just click on works with Google Home right here and then follow the instructions after that. It is very easy to set it up, just so you know. I have already set it up right here. It says living room TV and this is the one. So if I click on it, I should now be able to see this page right here. So to be able to now use this phone right here as a remote for my TV, I have to click on remote right here. And this is really cool, by the way, because look at this. If I now click right here, I can use it as my remote. So I can do basically whatever with it. And if I go right here, here is settings, I can click right here and I will get into settings. And if I want to be able to go back, by the way, I can click right here and then I will go back to this page right here. I can also, I think, control the sound right here. I can, yeah, you can see I can lower the sound if I want to, or I can increase it right here also, basically. And yeah, that is exactly how to actually do this.